Stop sweating the small stuff, Jake. It's really not worth getting so worked up over.
I know, but it's hard not to worry when things keep piling up.
I get it, but stressing out over every little detail isn't going to help you get things done any faster.
You're right, but I just want everything to be perfect, you know.
I understand, but sometimes aiming for perfection can lead to more frustration than satisfaction.
Yeah, I suppose I need to work on letting go a bit more.
Exactly. Focus on what really matters, and let the minor issues sort themselves out.
That's easier said than done, especially when I feel like I'm being judged for every tiny mistake.
You're human. Mistakes happen, and that's completely normal. Just be confident in what you know.
I'll try. I just want to make a good impression on the team and the managers.
And you will. Just remember all the hard work you've put in. That alone will shine through.
Thanks, Amy. I don't know what I'd do without your constant encouragement.
Anytime. You're going to do amazing. Just don't forget to breathe and smile.
I'll keep that in mind. Maybe I should practice one more time though.
No more practicing. You're ready. Now go get some rest, and we'll celebrate tomorrow.
All right, I'll try to sleep early tonight. Thank you so much for everything.
No problem at all. You've got this. Just be yourself, and everything will fall into place.
Have you noticed that Mike seems a bit off lately?
Yeah, I have. He's really down in the dumps these days.
Do you know what happened? He used to be so cheerful all the time.
I think it's because of his recent breakup. It hit him pretty hard.
That makes sense. They were together for a long time, weren't they?
Yeah, almost 4 years. He probably thought they would end up together forever.
Poor guy. Has anyone tried reaching out to him?
A few of us have, but he doesn't seem very open to talking about it yet.
Maybe he just needs some time to process everything. Breakups are never easy.
True, but I'm worried he's isolating himself too much. He hasn't been coming out with us lately.
We should plan something low-key, like a movie night or just hanging out, so he doesn't feel pressured.
That's a good idea. I'll text the group and see if everyone is up for it.
Great. I'll bring some snacks. Do you think he'd like to choose the movie?
I'm sure he would appreciate that. It'll help him feel more included.
Exactly. He needs to be reminded that he's not alone in this.
Definitely. Even if he's not ready to talk, just being around friends can make a difference.
Right. Sometimes just knowing that people care is enough to lift someone's spirits.
Let's hope so. I really want to see him smile again.
I'll call him later and see if he's up for it.
Perfect. Let's do our best to cheer him up.
Button your lip, will you?
Excuse me, Why should I keep quiet?
Because you're talking too much and it's starting to get on my nerves.
I didn't realize I was being annoying. I thought we were just having a normal conversation.
Yeah, but sometimes you need to know when to stop, especially when others aren't interested.
I see your point. I just get carried away when I'm excited about something.
I understand, but maybe try to be more aware of other people's reactions.
I guess I need to work on that. Thanks for pointing it out though.
No problem. I'm just being honest with you because I know you'd do the same for me.
You're right. I'd rather hear the truth than keep making the same mistake.
Exactly. I didn't mean to sound harsh earlier. I just wanted to let you know.
No worries. I appreciate you saying it, even if it stung a little.
It's all good. Anyway, let's change the topic. Have you heard about the new movie coming out this weekend?
Yeah, I heard it's going to be amazing. We should go see it.
That's a good idea. I could use a break from all the work stress.
Same here. Let's invite Sarah and Paul too. It'll be fun with the whole group.
Agreed. I'll text them later to see if they're free.
Awesome. Thanks for understanding earlier, by the way.
Anytime. Friends keep each other in check.
True. Now, how about we grab some lunch? I'm starving.
Sure. Let's go find something good to eat.
Please subscribe and see you later.